Hi all. In today's lesson, we are going to discuss about distance and displacement. I am going to give you three explanations with a demonstration. I hope by the end of this lesson, you will get a clear idea about distance and displacement. Before start our lesson, you must know two main quantities which we use in physics. They are scalar quantity and vector quantity. The physical quantities which has only magnitude, that is size, means they are called as scalar quantity. Example: speed, distance, length, time, etc. The physical quantities which has both magnitude and direction means they are called as vector quantities. Example: velocity, displacement, weight, force, acceleration, etc. So in the coming videos we are going to use these scalar and vector quantities. So please keep it in mind, and we are going to start our lesson distance and displacement. Here we go. Here is our setup. A toy car placed on a road and two 20 centimeter ruler I have placed here and one 30 centimeter ruler I have placed over here. Okay, for our easy understanding purpose, I have taken some centimeter ruler, but the SI unit for distance and displacement is meter. Okay. In all my three explanation, distance definition is same, that is length of the space between 2 points. Here A to B are the points. So the distance between A to B is 20 centimeter. That is the distance. When it comes to scalar and vector quantity, distance is a scalar quantity because it only mention about size or magnitude, no direction. So distance is a scalar quantity. Right. What is displacement? Here, this car is moving from A to B. Now we can say that the car moves with a displacement of 20 centimeter. What does it mean? There is a change in position of the car. So change in position means it is also called as displacement. In detail, that how far out of place of an object is. Here it is car. Before at A, now at B. So there is a change in position. Okay. The second explanation is just I am placing a magnetic compass over here. You all know the purpose of this magnetic compass is to determine the direction. If we mention the distance with direction means it is also known as displacement. If we say a car moves 20 centimeter towards west, then it is also called as displacement. Displacement is a vector quantity because it has both magnitude and direction. Our third explanation is, here I have placed another point, C. The distance between A, B and C is 20 centimeter, 20 centimeter, total 40 centimeter. So distance between A to C in this way, it is 40 centimeter. That is the distance. Now, if the car moves from A to C, then it can be called as displacement. Here now the distance is approximately 30 centimeter less than previous. It means shortest distance. So shortest distance means it is known as displacement. Hope you all got the clear idea about distance and displacement. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.